I will leave 2 lines or 3 lines. Then I will write here to cash. Oh, this cash also we have to write there. So ये भी जाएगा उधर. How much? 5,000. Children, debit है ये. तो ये credit side जाएगा. 1 minute. I'll draw again. I'll draw here. Otherwise we'll get mixed up here. Okay. So cash account I'll draw because one more cash is there. So small I'll draw here. Cash or bank account, children. I'm writing here to balance brought down. And balance brought down was 12,000. Okay. And to bad debts BD return 500. And this cash जो हमने अभी लिखा है डेबिट साइड, तो इधर आएगा क्रेडिट साइड बाय आर्स कैपिटल. How much? 5,000. Okay, now children you can do the total. 12,500 minus 5,000. So you will get balance carried forward, which you will write in the new balance sheet now. What is the difference here? 7,500. Okay, this is the difference amount. Total both the side 12,500. इधर तुम लोग लिखोगे 7,500. Okay, so because one more cash was there. Okay, now after completing the adjustment loan is taken, that we will do later on. Okay, now see which side we will see now. Liability side. Liability side देखो creditors. Enter. Creditors. How much are the creditors? 50,000. Creditors is 50,000 given in the balance sheet. Then provident fund PF भी liability है children. जो दिया है वही देना है. No other given. And workman other which is given, workman compensation reserve is over. Provident fund, investment fluctuating fund is distributed among the partners. Okay, and these are claims for workmen. Now look on the asset side. Asset side देखो cash, bank, debtor, stock बाकी है stock. Come on, enter. Patterns, building, debtors, cash. Enter stock. How much is the stock given? देखो 62,000. Okay, investments either nothing is told, so as it is. How much? 64. Okay, this is 7,500. Okay, so you have a look on the asset side. Patterns, investments. Children, investments they have given here. Okay, market value is 64,000 and how much you got? 58. How much you have received? What is the book value? 58. Means you have got 6,000 profit. Okay, how much you have received in this? 6,000 profit you have received. Okay, 1 minute. Profit, so I will write here by investment profit. Profit was how much? 6,000. How I got? देखो, investment market value. What is the market value given in the? They have not given in the adjustment, but they have given hidden adjustment. The 64 market value. What is the market value? 64. And what is the book value? What is the book value given? 58. Book value is given 58,000. So 64 minus 58 is our profit, 6,000. Here I will write 6,000. Now children, if you look on the liability side, investment reserve is given, but reserve is used only for loss. Reserves, which is given liability side, last investment reserves fund 12,000. But here investment reserve fund is not utilized. Reserve fund is used only when there is loss, to compensate the loss. But these investments are going with profit, 64,000, which I have recorded in my balance sheet, market value, 64,000. 64,000 is your market value, which I will record in the balance sheet. But book value, hidden adjustment is given. It is not given down, it is given in the bracket. So 64,000 you got, and the book value was 58,000. Means you have sold with more price, with more profit. So profit means income, credit side, profit. Now in the old balance sheet, 12,000 investment fluctuating reserve which you have, that is full yours, that is full of partners distribution. All three partners will enjoy this reserve because there is no loss, there is profit. These reserves or claims are used only to wipe off or to compensate the losses. But here it is not loss, here it is profit. So here children, by investment fluctuating fund is full to be given to the old partners in old ratio. That is 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000. 12,000 का break किया है. Okay. Then partners I have written. Okay. Now look on the asset side. What all, everything is entered on the asset side. Cash, bank, stock, investment, patterns, building. Yes, investment campion expenditure is given. Again, investment campion expenditure is to be write off. So where you have to write to advertisement expense, to advertisement campion expense. This also is to be written off on the debit side always of partners capital account. So you will get 12,000, 8,000 and 4,000. Okay. Then okay, everything is over on the liability side and the asset side. Now children, we will do the total of revaluation account. So revaluation account, you can see this side is more. This side is 24,500. And here also you will write 24,500. So here only 650 you have to minus. So here you will get loss of 18. And you will write here by loss. By loss. Transfer to debit बाजू. Credit बाजू है मतलब debit बाजू. So here you will write to revaluation loss. So break into the old ratio 3 to 1. 3 to 1. So what Madhav will get? Madhav, Radha and Gopi. Madhav will get 9,000. Radha's loss is 6,000 and Gopi is with 3,000. Okay, and then this you will write here 9,000, 6,000. This you wrote credit side, so ये आएगा debit side 3,000. This is by to revaluation loss. Now we will do the total of capital account. This side you will get 1,42,000 and the other one is with 94,000. Okay, and who is retiring? Radha is retiring. Okay, so Radha, which side is long? This side is more, and this one is with 56,000. Okay, now here you will write, you will leave one line and write to balance carried forward. राधा पे डैश डालेंगे, राधा का इधर 2 आवर्स लोन आएगा, ओके, जो डिफरेंस अमाउंट आएगा क्वेश्चन में. सो दिस वन बैलेंस कैरिड फॉरवर्ड मीन्स बैलेंस शीट में आएगा 91,000 एंड हियर 39,000. टोटल बोथ द साइड सेम 91 एंड 31. नाउ 56,000 में से 8, 6 और 5,000 माइनस करो. 8, 6 और 5,000 when you minus, you will get here 75,000 loan. I will put a circle. 75,000 loan, and which you will enter in the balance sheet. Okay, Radha's loan. Radha's loan. How much? 75,000. ठीक है? And what you will write here in capital? Capital Madhav 91,000 and Gopi 39,000. Okay, and total is 1,30,000. 1,30,000. Okay, so your total will be 3 lakhs. You are also 3 lakhs. Okay. So this is the sum. That is question 9 and question 8 and question 9. You will do this sum again, homework, and then any doubts you will write and keep, which we will solve when we have Zoom classes. Okay, this is in exam, so please revise. Homework. Homework, do question 8 and question 9 in class work. Okay. And also work out the illustration. Sum is very easy, not to learn, only think and do. It is time consuming, but every day when you practice the same sums, you will learn it better. This is in the exam, children. Okay. Thank you.